Hi, it's Lee here. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful decorative papers for your junk journal and your art journals. You will need an embossing machine to be able to do these, and an embossing folder. So I'll see you soon. I'll show you how to do it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Lee here again. And what you can see I've got here in my hot little hands is something that's pretty attractive, but it's just pages out of a book. And I was pondering what I was going to do to make the cover of my altered book, how I was going to decorate it. And I just, after embossing a couple of other things, I thought I'm going to have a go at doing this. The four that I did previously, so those ones there, the darker ones are painted with raw umber, and these ones are painted with Indian red oxide, and that's the gilding paste that I used, which is something like greenish gold something. And there's my two pages. So I'm going to cut those pages into 4 pieces each, and then I'm going to run them through the embossing machine. So I'm just going to use the same folder for all of them, and I'm going to do 4 pieces at a time just to make it faster. So it became a little bit hard to wind the machine, but we got there eventually because the paper's quite thick. So anyway, I will just skip to ahead now to where I have actually run them through the embossing machine. I've got my pieces over on the side there. So I've got sap green, which is Liquitex heavy body acrylic. I'm going to do a couple with the green, and then I'll do a couple with the raw umber again, and then I will also do a couple of black ones just to see how they turn out. I decided to use this colour, this side of this particular piece, because I thought it would be nice to be able to see a bit of that white through it, just in different places. So I found roughly painting them and leaving bits of that colour behind, like from underneath behind, is the best way to go. It doesn't have to be a thick layer of paint either. Pretty much anything goes, I've found. But one thing too I worked out as I got a bit further into this little project is the darker your colours are on the page, the better I think that the gilding paste stands out once it's been put on there. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'll speed this up a bit, and then I'll show you what I created at the end. So this is the raw umber, which is a beautiful brown colour. That raw umber is a golden paint. Now I'm going to use Byron black gesso on these 2 pieces. This is a good one to do because it's very dark to begin with before I put any paint on it. Could probably just have painted out the other colours and left it at that. So I'll let my pages dry, and then I'll use the gilding paste on them. Okay, so I've got my gilding paste. Now you could do this with paint as well, and as long as you do it with a sponge, I think it'll work out. So I'm just going to rub that over there, and look at that come to life. That magic. Stunning, isn't it? Doesn't take a lot of time to make them too, I think, which is really nice. Get them made really quickly. Oops. How nice does that look with those other colours showing from underneath? Very rich. Now this is the one that I've been waiting to do, because I reckon this is going to turn out beautiful. So we've got green and we've got red showing underneath this one. Look at that. It's like a tapestry in a medieval castle. There we go. How beautiful is that? And I only have the one colour in the gilding paste, so I can't show you any others. But oh, that was what I was going to do. Do one of the ones that hasn't had any paint on it. Just the book page itself. My gilding paste is just about had it, I think. It's drying up. Even this looks nice. So no paint on it. You can see those colours coming through. I think I can push some down further. So that's that one. And this one. I'll go this side, I think. That's how that's turned out. I'm just going to go over that other side. I can imagine that over red. It's just going to look beautiful. That's nice. Not as good as the dark colours, I don't think. Oh, I thought on my book I could patchwork them together to cover the book. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing that. This is the original ones that I did. And I've gone around these with black soot distress ink, so you just sort of see the difference. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And I'll see you in another video soon. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.